Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. This was released in April of 2020 and is a great mid-range tablet offered by Samsung which appeals as an amazing value for money. This tablet also includes an S Pen straight out of the box. So, let's get straight into it. The model that I have here is the 64GB Oxford Grey variant. Now let's open it up and see what's inside. So we'll turn it over, and with this unboxing knife I'll cut these seals like so, and then we can pull it up and we're greeted with the tablet itself on top. We'll take a look at that in a sec. And as you can see in the box, we have our 15-watt power brick. We have the USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. We've got the micro SD ejector tool, along with some documentation and quick start guides on the inside. And we also have the S Pen, which is included, which is a great thing to have, so you don't have to buy it separately. So this is nice. We've got some Samsung branding on the end, and we've also got the button near the top. So now let's take a look at the tablet. So we'll take it out of this plastic sleeve. So we'll slide the tablet out of this little sleeve. And here is the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So as I said, this is the Oxford Grey colour. It's a very premium feeling. So we've got the 8-megapixel camera on the back. We've got the volume up and down and the power on off switch. On the bottom, we've got the USB-C charging adapter, and also we've got the dual AKG speakers. So we've got one on the bottom and also one on the top. We've also got the headphone jack on the top, which isn't very common to find in many tablets or smartphones these days, so it's a nice feature to have. And we've got the micro SD card slot in here. So it's very premium feeling. It's got a nice 10.4-inch display on the front. So yeah, that'll about do it for this video. I strongly recommend this tablet as it's great value for money, and it's also got the S Pen, which isn't something that you usually find included with many products these days. So that's a great feature to have. So yeah, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.